Bye-bye, everyone. Enjoy your weekend.
Eve, look at this. There's a fair in town. Do you want to come with me?
Hey, I'm going too. This fair is going to be awesome.
Wow, this place is amazing!
Look at all this yummy food.
Solve the puzzle and get chocolates and toys. Solve the puzzle and get chocolates and toys.
Let's go, over there!
Solve the puzzle on the screen within the time limit and win a prize. Let's start!
No.
Oh no.
I wanted that chocolate.
Another puzzle!
Start!
Oh,
Oh
Oh no.
I know what to do! We can use Python! Eve, do you have your laptop?
Yes, Aadi, I have it at home. What are you going to do with this laptop, Aadi?
It won't give us chocolates.
It will give us chocolates and toys.
How?
Remember the Python lessons from Mrs. Nira?
Got it, Aadi. Let's
Let's go!
Let's solve this.
Let's start!
The answer is 126.
Start!
The answer is 296.
You mean it, little boy. Start!
The answer is 523.
You guys are terrific.
This is awesome.
Thank you, Aadi.
We did it together. Python really is powerful.
And fun, too.
Let's see what else we can solve.
Hi friends! Today we learned that by using the print statement in Python, we can solve maths quickly. Just write print and add the numbers inside the parentheses. It's super easy and fun. Keep practicing and have fun with coding.